Hey, it's Kevin. Welcome back. Today I am on the shores of Lake Delton looking at the Aloha Beach Hotel Resort right on the shores. And we're going to be taking a full tour. Before we do, let's get a look at Lake Delton. And I'll be kind of calling out the features that we have here at Aloha Beach. And you'll see, first of all, they do have a dock. If you've got a boat, you're welcome to park it here during your stay. This awesome playland in the water, and one of the fun things about this place is you can see they've got tons of lakeshore all the way from here out on the peninsula all the way to the building, and they've got fire pits all along. So in the evening you'll see people out here into the night having campfires right along the water. It's a fun thing to do. We already did that once this week, and you'll see the docks. So if you've got a boat that you like to park when you stay, the public lake access is right over there, and you can drive your boat and park it right at the resort. So we're going to be working our way up from the lake to the main building, and you'll see the new owners who just took over within the last year. Robin and I have stayed here a number of times in the past, but these guys brought in tons of this fluffy, powdery sand and enlarged the beach in a huge way, not to mention adding the water park here in the bay. But now it really is kind of a beach resort, and a very unique one at that. So we walk along the beach, we'll get a look at the fun water playland that comes free with your stay. And oh, what do we have here? One of the many features of Aloha Beach sometimes is Robin sitting here reading a magazine on the beach.
Doing my puzzles.
Doing your puzzles. How are you enjoying your stay at Aloha Beach?
Great, as always.
And Robin, the frequent star of our show. So this is our little nest that we've got set up on the beach here. And here's the main part of the beach, and we will walk up to the main building. As we walk along, you'll see they've got two kinds of rooms here. These are called the Tiki rooms, and this is actually where we prefer to stay because you look out your window and you get a great view of the resort. And then they've got the main hotel over here. But look at the size of this beach. Got a playground here, another little bit of a playground here, and in addition to this awesome beach and kind of water park in the bay, they also have an outdoor pool, an outdoor hot tub, and an indoor pool. So we'll take a quick peek at the indoor pool, and then we'll kind of walk around to the front lobby, get a better look at the hotel. Also, obviously, lots of well-kept grassy areas to throw a ball around. So here's the indoor pool. And on a day like today, no need to be inside, but if you wanted kind of a more refined experience without getting sand in your toes, they've got a kiddie pool and a hot tub. And over here, just a regular full-size pool with lounge chairs and tables. Very well kept and clean. And as you see behind the pool area, the way this hotel is laid out, pretty much every room in the main building here, except for the ground level, because it's kind of the garden level with just the windows you'll see, but all these guys get a balcony with a view overlooking the lake. So obviously that's kind of a cool feature. As we walk to the front of the building, the road we are along here is County Road A, and actually duck boats will now and then be up and down this road. Here's their signage on County Road A. and Aloha Beach Resort and Suites. And literally from where we are right now on County Road A, it's maybe a mile down to the BP gas station right across from Top Secret, the upside down White House right on the strip. So we are not far from town at all, literally a mile down a 35-mile-an-hour road, and you are at Aloha Beach. So we're really in the heart of things, but unless you venture off the strip, you might not know that places like this exist. Get a quick look at the lobby. Hello. Good, how are you? Good. Here's the indoor pool. Hello. All right. Thanks for watching this video on Aloha Beach and lake resort living in the Wisconsin Dells. I'm going to put a couple more videos up right now. If you enjoyed this tour, you probably enjoy one of the others that we have to offer. If you did like the video, please hit the like button. And I do encourage you to subscribe for more videos about campgrounds, attractions, resorts, and hotels in generally the Minnesota and Wisconsin area. Thanks for watching.